How's it going, everybody? My name is Developer Number 9, and today I'm here to show you how to create your own Goat Simulator maps. It has been my favorite game for the last couple days, so I thought I'd wanted to mod it, and I thought I'd show you how. So the first thing, we're going to go to library/tools in Steam and find Goat Simulator Development Kit down here. And this will appear as long as you've owned Goat Simulator. If you double click on that, you'll open this guy up, Unreal Front End. Don't worry about most of the stuff in here for now. We're just going to go to the editor. Alright, so inside the editor, I'm not here to show you how to actually use the editor, how to actually use Unreal Editor and how to make a map properly in Unreal. I'm really just here to show you the specifics of Goat Simulator and how to get your maps into the Goat Simulator workshop. There's tons of people who can show you how to use the Unreal Engine, and I would suggest starting with that if you've never used it before. It is not the most user-friendly for just jump in and go for it. I mean, that's how I got started, but I definitely would not suggest it. So, I'm just going to make a really stupid simple map. It's just going to be a big-ass square, and we're just going to start with that. So, there we go. We got a huge square. We're going to add some textures to it. So, select matching texture, and in the content browser down here we have under packages all the custom ones for Goat Simulator, and I'm just gonna, there's not really a whole lot of good textures in here for like a floor stuff, so I'm just gonna go with the wood one. It's a nice simple one. We're gonna apply wood, and looks pretty crappy, but whatever. I'm not here to show you how to make a good map. We're going to add a player start, we're going to add a light point, we're going to raise the light point above the map, and then build everything up. This is really all you need for a basic map, and it's all I need to show you how to use. And there's lots of cool stuff in Kismet, custom stuff for Goat Simulator. I'd suggest exploring it. I'm not going to go into that Kismet stuff right now. If there's interest for it, hey, I might in the future, but let me know if you want something like that. So there we go, we got a built map. I'm going to save it as demo.goat in the default folder, and don't worry about that erase, it's not my second take or anything. And just real quick, we're going to play test it. Yep, we got light, we got a solid platform, we can jump on it, and everything works. So let's quit out of here. And that's all we need to do in here for right now. But just before I close this, I'm going to take a screenshot using print screen, and that'll come in handy later. So I can close that out. Now over here, I'm going to disable package mod right now, and we're just going to push over here. We're going to give our mod a name, and for this I'm just going to call it demo. I'm going to add the map demo.goat, that is the name of our map, and we just push start. And this will go about cooking and compiling our map, and you can choose if you want to include your sources or not. I typically don't, but whatever, it's up to you. I'm just that kind of guy. So we're getting through the compilation of the map, almost there. Takes a while, not too long, but hey, there we go, success. All pipeline stages completed successfully. That's what you want to see. And now, just before we send this up to the workshop, we're going to need a couple more things. So, remember that screenshot earlier? I'm going to go into MS Paint and paste it, and I'm just going to select just this part of it. I don't need the whole thing. And what this is going to be is the thumbnail of our map in the workshop. So we're going to go to mymods/demo, and this is in your Steam folder /Goat Simulator, Goat Game Mods, My Mods, and then the name that you gave your thing. And we're going to call it previewfile.jpg. Save it in there, and that's it. We can close that one out. Next thing we're going to need two text files. So we're going to, this one is going to be our tags, and since it's a map, we're going to start with a map since it filters, and then we're going to go with test and demo, so people know this is a test map. It's not really meant for playing, it's just kind of a test. And in this one, we're going to save in the same folder as the last file we saved, program file / Steam / where's Steam apps, common Goat Simulator. I wish there was an easy way to get to this folder, but I haven't planned that far ahead. Mods, my mods, demo, and this one we're going to call tags.txt. There we go. So that's saved, and then we're going to need one more text file, and I forget the exact syntax of this, so I'm going to open my previous one and copy this one. So this one is contains a couple things. So this contains the file name. This is the name of your map. I called mine demo.goat, except you don't need the extension, so that's demo. The display name, this is the name that's going to show up in the list of maps inside Goat Simulator, and we're going to call this demo map, and the description that goes along with it inside Goat Simulator when someone goes to play your map. And so we're going to call it a quick demo map. And there we go. And then we can save this in, once again, the same folder /mymod/demo, and we're going to call it goat mod.ini. And any text editor should be able to save as this. If not, just change the file extension later. It's no big deal. And there we go. We have that saved. And that's really all you need. So we can close this out, and then we're going to do package mod and click package mod. And once you've kind of done this once, you can kind of enable this, and then if you ever want to update your map, you just click start and it'll run through the whole process, because all that other stuff you really only have to do once. And we can see package mod finished successfully. And that's all we need to do inside the editor. So the next thing, we're going to need to fire up Goat Simulator. So I will see you inside the game. Alright, so at this point we've really finished all the hard steps, and we just kind of need to upload the map. So inside Goat Simulator, right here we go to Workshop, My Mods, and this will show you all the mods you've made. Click on our demo and we say upload it. Do you want to upload it to Steam Workshop? You bet we do. And this process can take a fair amount of time, but in the meantime I'm going to, where's my overlay? No, my overlay is not going to work. Alright, so it says upload complete. Please enter a title and description on the workshop page. So let's go do that now. Alright, so starting from the community hub, let's give our map a name. So if we just go to the workshop and say view your workshop files, we can say, hey, there's our map demo temporary description, because it hasn't been set yet. So edit our title and description, and we're going to say demo map, and we're going to give it a description, a quick demo to show how to make a map. We're going to save it, and we can go back to our item, and that's really all we need to do. Now for this, I'm going to change the visibility to hidden, because there's no reason for anyone to download this. This is just for me to show you guys how to use this. We can see our tags, test and demo, and we can see it's flagged as a map. If it wasn't hidden and you went onto the workshop for Goat Simulator and hit right here to go to map, it would filter out right there, just like you can see all these maps do. And there's a few other options in here. You can change the pictures, and you can add some pictures, and you can even, if you submit changes to the map, you can add change notes. So this one will say initial upload, because that's all it is. And that's really it. We're done. Our map is on the workshop. It is available for download. If it wasn't hidden, anyone could download it, and it would show up. Now, it may take about 5 minutes before your map shows up in the workshop for download, but that's really just the first time. After that, updates tend to take up less than a minute. And let's say you do want to update your map. All you got to do is update it in the Unreal Editor, do any changes you want, recook it, compile it, edit your tags if you want. If you don't want to edit your tags, you can leave them. Edit your thumbnail if you want. And then we go to Workshop, My Mods, click on your demo again, and we say, I want to update this. And over here, we say, this is the one I want to update. I want to update demo map. And let's say, I got one of the tags wrong. I just want to update the tags. We can confirm. It's done. Upload complete, and that's it. It's that simple, guys. Now go ahead and make your own maps, check out my map on the Goat Simulator Workshop Melon Room. It's a pretty sweet map that I threw together over the last couple days. And yeah, have fun. Enjoy. See you guys in the next one.